Hi, it's Debbie Williams, and I'm an NLP trainer and hypnotherapist, and also an expert in addictions. And today I'm going to talk about how cocaine makes people feel good. When people take cocaine, part of the brain, the ventral tegmentum, it releases dopamine and it binds to receptors, so like a key and a lock, and it binds together to release dopamine in a buzz that gives this sort of feeling of euphoria, excitement. It's like the reward system of the brain. But the challenge is you only feel sort of energized for a short period of time. And then as it wears off, you become restless, maybe paranoia, um, extremely depressed, and often people will carry on taking some because they don't want the come down feeling, as it takes a while for the dopamine levels to return to normalize. And if people keep taking it to have the good feeling, to avoid the come down, they become sensitive to the dopamine. So it means they need more and more. Or often you'll find if somebody's got into a habit of using it daily, they say, well, I don't get anything out of it. I'm just using it to feel normal. And they're absolutely right. The challenge is, though, the more you use cocaine, the more chance you have of something going wrong in the system, because it can, well, it can make you have a heart attack. It can change the rhythm of your heart, which you will have had this, the breathing and the heart going 20 to the dozen, which can, trigger a seizure, or put you into a coma. The digestive system can be affected, so you've got tummy ache and maybe even vomiting, or blood coming out. And if you think about it, when you are on the come down, of how sore your nose is, because cocaine is an anesthetic, and it may well be mixed with other anesthetics as well, as it could be flour, it could be talcum powder, which is definitely not good to be ingested. And those are some of the good things. It can be horse wormer mixed with it, and all sorts of stuff. And so when it wears off, and how sore your nose is, it's also doing that to the soft tissue throughout the body. So once it's wore off, that's why you can have pains in all sorts of parts of your body. And yeah, it's just not good. So if you're thinking that you've had enough of this and you do want to stop, well, on our website, we have a completely free quit cocaine course that, if you are determined and you make the decision, that's it, I want to quit, it will help you to quit. And what we do, because if you think about it, you're pulled into the good feeling from cocaine, and it is like an inch of pleasure, a mile of pain. With hypnosis, it's like free drugs. We want to give you the opportunity to change your state, to relax, to get a buzz out of firing up your brain on all cylinders, of looking at ways that you can live your life in a way that actually you draw to you things that are health, wealth and happiness enhancing, that give you a greater buzz than Coke ever could. Because we want you to have a real buzz, not a fake one, because Coke doesn't build friends, it loses them. It makes you selfish, it can kill relationship, friendships, and literally, can kill you if you're not careful. Okay, it's great talking to you today, and hopefully if you have a look at the free course, or if you're watching this for a friend, a relative, you can direct them there. And if you want to come and work with us, you can do. Okay, bye now.